To remove the vacuum head, simply release the steel clips, one on each side of the stainless drum. Take a look at the float valve. This automatically closes the vacuum air line when the drum is full with liquid. The KV80's washable filter system not only saves on the cost of vacuum bags, but also protects the motor from dust contamination, allowing the vacuum system to operate continuously at optimum performance levels. Drum to be easily emptied. The heavy-duty casters and large wheels provide great manoeuvrability. Choosing 1, 2 or all 3 motors, let's see the KV80 at work. The impressive 3-motor system provides 3000 watts of powerful suction, 3 times more than some conventional vacuum cleaners. To reach those inaccessible areas, simply place the crevice tool into position and away you go. Filter removed and the squeegees in place, let's see the KV80 go to work on a wet floor. Notice how the KV80's powerful 3000 watt vacuum system requires just one pass to pull the liquid from the surface. $30 meters of vacuum hose and a bucket of water. Let's see. Switching off, let's take a look inside the drum. To empty the drum, simply use the drain hose at the front or tilt the machine to the rear. The KV80, a 3-motor vacuum cleaner boasting 3000 watts of power and a massive 80 litre capacity drum. Suitable for all types of heavy-duty industrial and professional applications.